Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a pick a card reading for you all, and the topic is how will be your next 7 days. This is a timeless reading, don't have any month or date constraint, so you can refer this video on any day of any month or year. And one more thing I need to mention here, if you are watching it in the morning, then consider that day as day 1. If you are watching it in the afternoon, evening or night, means most part of the day has already gone, then consider the next day as day 1. I hope I have clarified with all your doubts. Now let's proceed with the reading. As you can see, there are two options, option 1 and option 2. Choose any option intuitively. Just close your eyes, take a deep breath, and whichever the option comes to your side, choose that one, or else you can pause the video for a while and take your time to choose the option. We'll catch you in your selected reading. Hello option 1. Here is your spread. As you can see, I have pulled out 10 cards and divided them into 3 rows. The first row will represent the day 1 and day 2. The second row will represent the day 3 and day 4. And the third row will represent day 5, 6 and 7. So let's start. Let me reveal the cards one by one. So for the day 1 and day 2, what we all got. Okay, Hanged Man, 8 of Rods and 5 of Cups. Okay, so this 5 of Cups card says that you will be experiencing feeling of disappointment regarding love relationships. Perhaps your partner or your a very close friend may have let you down. Okay, and but you can see here the 3 cups are spilled, but 2 are still remain standing. So whatever you are thinking is over is not yet over. It still has chance. So don't be that much disappointed. Just have patience, and yeah, situation may improve in future. And here the Hangman situation, the Hangman says that might be you will take yourself away from the everyday matters, and will like to remain calm, and will like to rest and reassess the matter peacefully. So yeah, Hangman is a card which shows that looking at a situation from a different angle, from a fresh perspective, from a different standpoint. So I feel you will be going to do so. Might be you will be reassessing this thing, this conflict with your loved one or disappointment by this Hangman situation. Also, this Hangman sometimes represents a new is coming to your life, but have to be patient to get that new thing. And here the 8 of Rods. 8 of Rods says that it's a very good card, that some news is coming towards you, and which will be obviously very good news. It can be your work related news, or can be your love relation related news. It can be a job offer, a promotion letter, or any admission letter from your from any university you applied for. Okay, so the first 2 days we got mixed kind of energy. Let's see what day 3 and day 4 is holding for you. We have, oh my god, 3 of Swords, Knight of Cups, and 2 of Pentacles. Okay, you can see this energy is still you are carrying to the next third and fourth day also. You might have to face heartbreak. This card also indicates quarrel, separation, fight with your partner. So here is an advice that as you know this thing in advance, refrain yourself, control your temperament and refrain yourself from getting into any kind of fight with your loved ones. Yeah, that will help you. Otherwise the situation can get very ugly. Okay, you can cancel this energy. Okay, just to refrain yourself from any kind of ugly fight or argument. That will help you, that will save you. Otherwise this heartbreak energy is there for you in day 3 and day 4th. Okay, here Knight of Cups, it's a very good card which says that might be after this kind of conflicts and chaos with your partner, you might be thinking to give a love proposal to your partner. It can be a marriage proposal for few people also. And yeah, this Knight of Cups person is a very romantic person, so obviously after this fight you will try to you know, get your lover back by showing some romantic gesture. So it's an action oriented card, so you are not just thinking but taking the action. You will definitely propose your partner, sorry. And here this 2 of Pentacles card says that imbalance. You will be finally, this love relationship might affect your work area in future, and you will become imbalanced, and you will be juggling between the work and your love life. So don't put 100% focus on the love matter. Simultaneously take care of your work situation also. Otherwise this 2 of Pentacles, this juggling situation will come. This imbalance energy is there, it will come. So take care of your work in well advance. Okay, so the last 3 days, 5th, 6th and 7 days, what is coming. Okay, 7 of Swords, 9 of Cups, wow, that's great. Page of Pentacles and 8 of Pentacles. Very nice, very nice. First I will take this card, 9 of Cups card, because throughout this 4-5 days you are dealing with your love life is like. But this card says that by the 5th, 6th and 7th day you will feel emotionally content. This is the wish card, which says that a long wished thing is going to be achieved. Okay, might be, I feel here you gave some proposal and your partner accepted that, and you are so happy and content. That is the most awaited desired thing for you, which got finally fulfilled, and you are so happy. And that's for sure that your love life is going to be improved by the 5th, 6th and 7th day. By the 7th day it will be improved. Okay, that's great. And here I will take both the cards together, because these cards, these two cards complement each other. These two cards complement each other. This Page of Pentacles card. Page of Pentacles is a person who is very studious, who loves learning, and who knows how to make money by utilizing the skill. This person always believes in making money by upgrading your skills. And here the Eight of Pentacles person is the person who has already made 7 pentacles and looking at the eighth pentacle with admiration. And might be you will be thinking that by upgrading your skills you will earn more money. Like this craft man is thinking, like he's just two steps away from achieving the full financial stability. Similarly, this Eight of Pentacles card says that you are financially good, but you have a financial goal which you need to achieve, and for that you will start rolling off your sleeve, and you will start working on your skills. You will hunting for jobs, you will hunting for new position, better offers. Why? Because you want to achieve that financial goal you have set for you. You are just 2 steps away from that goal, and through hard work you will achieve it. Okay, these two cards are really very good. And this card is little problematic, because this is Seven of Swords card. This is the this indicates theft, sometimes money laundering also. So be extra vigilant. Here is an advice for you, that be extra vigilant while doing any monetary transaction. You might have to face any fraud. Okay, so this can also be avoided if you are very much careful about your money matter. Okay, so this is all about your tarot reading. Let me take few guidances from the Moonology card deck. Just a minute. Okay, so what are the guidances for file 1? What is the guidances for file 1? What are the guidances for file 1? What are the guidances for file 1? Okay. Nothing is yet set in stone. Yes. You can change your situation. Don't be in that 5 cups energy. Like 3 cups are spilled, and but still 2 are there. So nothing is over. Situation can be improved. Oh, 2 cards came at a time. Take time to breathe out. Yes, this card is complementing that Hanged Man situation. When you were so much, so much disappointed with love life, so you need to rest and rejuvenate for a while. Look at the bigger picture. Yes, everything happens for a reason. If something is not working out today, then it has some reason also. It is teaching us something. Well, that's a very good reading. I hope you really enjoyed the reading. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned to this channel for next readings. Till then, keep smiling, count your blessings. God bless you. Hello friends, welcome back to option 2 reading. So as you can see, here is the spread. So I have pulled out 10 cards and divided them into 3 rows. This is the first row, which will represent how will be your first day and second day. This row is for third day and fourth day, and this row is for fifth, sixth and seventh day. So without wasting much time, let's begin the reading. So let me reveal the cards one by one. Okay, the first row, day 1 and 2. What is there for you? Two of Rods, Five of Cups, Five of Wands. Okay. So with this Two of Rods card, I can see that you are ready for something. I mean to say, you have a future planning with you, and look at his face, how strong he is feeling, and he is also holding a glove in his hand. So you are in a energy that you are feeling very strong and confident about yourself, and you have the plan ready with you, and you know with your hard work you can achieve that plan, you can achieve that goal. You can achieve that goal. So you can see your dreams coming true. And the thing is, this card only be possible if you are putting effort on your future plan. Without effort, this energy is not going to be manifested in your life. So now this is the time to start acting on your plan. And here, with this Five of Rods card, I am saying that while chasing your goal, you will be facing a lot of competition. And see, this is not a healthy competition. People are kind of fighting with each other. So this kind of competition is not going to help you. This kind of competition will not give you growth. So if such kind of situation arises, just refrain yourself from that ugly competition. And competing with yourself can make you the better version of you. But this kind of competition, pulling each other's leg, growth is not possible. So somehow try yourself not to be a part of this kind of competition, this kind of unhealthy, ugly competition. And this third card is Five of Cups. This indicates that might be you are disappointed by your loved ones. It can be your very close friend or your love partner, and your focus is on that thing only that distress. As you can see here, this guy is looking at this 3 spilled cups. He is not thinking about the 2 cups which are standing intact just behind him. In the similar way, if currently your relationship or love affair situation is not going good, but you have the work which is really in a very good condition, so try to shift your focus from here to here. Try to shift your focus from your not working thing to the good thing. Or also, this card indicates that you might be thinking that it's all over, the relationship or the friendship, but it is not like that, because still 2 cups are intact. The situation will improve. Give it some time. It will be mended. Okay, so let's see what's the day 3 and day 4 is holding for you. Okay, 2 of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, and 5 of Pentacles. Okay, Pentacles card says that you are juggling between two things. You are trying to balance two things at a time, so that you are losing balance for both the things. Might be the juggling is in between your work and family, your work and your love relationship, or maybe family or finances, love relationship and finances, so whatever it can be. But the thing is, you cannot neglect any aspect of your life by putting your most of the energy in a particular area. You have to divide your energy equally among all the aspects of your life. Might be you are putting much effort on your love relationship and your work and finances are getting affected. So take care of it before it is going into an imbalanced situation. And here the Five of Pentacles card shows that financial constraint, lack of finances, missed opportunity, finances, loss of finances because of missed opportunities. Okay, so you can see in this picture the two beggars are passing by this church. Might be they are looking for some shelter, but they are not looking here. They are so much focused on their distress. It means help is available. If you are facing some financial issues, help is available around you, but you need to explore that. But you are too much focused on your own distress. Take a chance to look around you. Try to explore options. Who can help you? Think about it. Think in a different way. And here with the Queen of Pentacles card, I can see, when you are struggling, you are juggling with finances, you are struggling with money, there is a person, there is a lady in your life, a significant lady in your life, can be your mother, sister, or your partner, or very close friend, who is financially stable. Not only financially stable, but also content in many ways. Like you can see here flowers, here fruits, and this rabbit. Okay, she is like she is enjoying the dance she is having. She is completely self-sufficient and financially independent lady. So I feel you can seek help from this lady. Just think about it. Who is that lady in your life who can help you, who is generous enough to help you? And the good thing about this Queen of Pentacles is she doesn't hesitate to share her wealth with others. So you can ask her, please try to explore all the options you are available with you who can help you financially. But get out of these two energies in future, this one and this one. This is only consuming time and energy, these two energies. Okay, so the final 3 days, 5th, 6th and 7th, let's see what's holding for you. Okay, 10 of Swords, oh my god, but it's good. Then 3 of Cups, yeah, nice. Then 4 of Pentacles and the Moon. Okay, finally this days came where you are overburdened and falling on the ground and not able to do anything. Okay, this gives this card indicates a sense of loss, sense of pain, but not to worry, because the difficult situation is going to be over. Is going to over completely from your life, and after this a new beginning will come, a fresh start. Okay, so This pain is temporary. Don't be afraid. You will overcome this. You are strong enough to overcome this energy. A cycle is going to complete in your life. That's a good news, really. But it will give a temporary pain for a while, for a few days. So you need to cope with it with much courage and strength. And I know you can do it. Yes. And here, when you are down with this Ten of Swords energy, the heaviest energy, now here God is giving you this light moment. Yes, you will have a celebration with your family and friends, and that will make you so joyful and relaxed. Don't miss this opportunity. Okay, so the new beginning, who knows, the new beginning will start from the celebration only. Okay, so be part of that celebration. You will celebrate with your family and friends. Really great. And this Four of Pentacles says that by the 7th day you will be in clingy energy, but you must have to leave this clinginess. Okay, I know there is financial instability is there. There is financial constraint is there, lack of finance is there, but this clinginess will not give you financial stability. So what you need to do, just instead of counting how much left in your account, just to focus on your financial goal once again, and put your 100% hard work for your finances. Then only you can achieve the financial stability once again. This energy is not going to help you. This energy is not allowing you to move. See how he has he has engaged his legs, hands, and even he cannot nod his head also, because there is a pentacle on the top of his head. So you have to live this energy in future. In next 7 days you will get this kind of energy. Okay, so the last card is the Moon. So the Moon card says that it indicates secrecy. Something is hidden from you. Illusion. Some situation is not clear to you. But give it some time. Don't be hurry. The truth will come to you at the right time. And also this Moon energy talks about intuition. So you will be intuitively strong by this time, by 7th day. So try to listen to your intuition, because intuition never lies. So meditation will help you to listen to your intuition. Go within, listen to your inner voice. Yeah. Okay. This is all about your tarot reading. Let me take few guidances from the Moonology deck. Okay. So, what guidances are coming for option 2? 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 Okay, last shuffle. What guidances coming for option 2? Okay. Meditate and contemplate. see how it's matching with the tarot card. The last card is Moon. I just completed the sentence that meditate and contemplate, listen to your intuition, and the same oracle card came. Okay, so the next guidance. So must do meditation. Even okay, two cards came. Take time to breathe out and look at the bigger picture. Here is the situation. You need to breathe out. You are in a kind of suffocation energy. So don't worry, this is temporary only. As I said, it's going to be over. A new beginning is coming towards you. You will enjoy. You will have a prosperous life once again. You will have a stable life once again. Take time to breathe out. Okay, and look at the bigger picture. I feel this card, this oracle is complementing this card. Okay, Four of Pentacles. You are just holding your current finances tightly and not working on your finances for future. You are not thinking about your financial goal. You are consuming energy here in clinginess. Just get out of this energy. Just let yourself out of this energy. Instead of this, look at the bigger picture. Set a financial goal for next 1 year at least, and start working on it. Give your 100% on your finance. I can see here Four of Pentacles, here Five of Pentacles. Financial constraint, finance, lack of finance is there. So yeah, so this is all about your reading, option 2. I hope you like the reading. So if you like the reading, please do consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned to my channel for next readings. Until then, keep smiling and count your blessings. God bless you. Bye bye.